Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. We're going to watch this crazy video from West Midlands Police of a police officer chasing an off-road bike and talk about it afterwards.
Additional consideration when it comes towards 700 cars. Just squeezing between two there, as you can see. Momentarily moving this back down to low, and it's over a blast area, and it'll be right onto the Burnham Road.
Thank you. Do we have a TACAD on the air, please? A TACAD.
Okay, so through the bollards onto Coronation Road, heading towards Hall Lane, Windsor Road, and he's basically just doing circuits around there, back onto Coronation Street, Coronation Road.
So if you just want to continue with comms, I think you've got the best line of sight at the moment. If you just want to continue.
He's basically doing sort of circuits around Paris Avenue, around to Coronation Road, so we can get units plotted up Church Lane and Paris Avenue.
1-6, Sting was good. Sting was good on the green by Paris Avenue.
Yep, vehicle stopped. Driver compliant.
Good result, thank you everybody.
No, it's legit. Because it's an off-road bike.
Take hold of him, mate. Let me just get this off.
West Midlands Police have seized and crushed an illegally ridden off-road bike after its rider tried in vain to escape from officers as he hit 80 miles an hour in residential streets. The Kawasaki 250 was one of three which sped away when they were spotted by police motorcyclists in the Tipton area. The gang split up, so the motorbike officer pursued the Kawasaki, which had been driven the most dangerously as it weaved through traffic, onto pavements, through red lights and on grassed areas. New footage shows how the 10-minute pursuit was only ended when an officer was lying in wait at a bus stop and deployed a stinger to deflate its tyres. The rider, Owen Guest, who was 20, was arrested at the scene at around 2:30 PM on the 10th of September and went on to admit dangerous driving and driving without a licence or insurance. He was given 14 months in a Young Offenders Institute, suspended for a year, jeez, and ordered to abide by a curfew and do around 80 hours of unpaid community work. Now to me that doesn't seem like a punishment. He's avoided jail for a year and he's got to do 80 hours of unpaid community work. Gee, where is the lesson not to break the law in that, guys? Guest of Slade Lane, Wolverine, Worcestershire was also given a 2-year driving ban. He appeared at Wolverhampton Crown Court on Tuesday the 14th. PC Steve Lovering, who pursued Guest, said this was appalling driving on a bike which can't legally be ridden on the roads. It was great teamwork between officers on the ground and in the air that helped us bring this to a safe conclusion. We all know the misery that these kind of bikes can cause when they are ridden illegally, and we use all our resources to bring those who think it's acceptable to justice. Now, I would love to know what your thoughts on this are. Drop a comment down below if you think he should have got a longer jail sentence. Tell me how long you think he should have got, or let me know if you think this was just an entire waste of time arresting and sentencing this guy. Anyway, as always guys, you've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.